Good morning to everyone. Stay tuned. Good morning to everyone. Today we'll do some carbon remover and steam cleaning on this old nice building, which is a water pump station, which is, I think so, 1866 old. We'll try to remove all the organic stuff, all the carbon stuff with the lower pressure steam cleaning DOFF machine we're using. We stay here, I think so, a week. We'll try to finish in a week. It's quite big, but we'll concentrate to finish in a week.
Starting off on the side of the building there, we're going to be using a cherry picker to get the higher level stuff, and we'll be doing some of it from the ground, and we'll be using some chemical as well to remove the carbon off the building.
The staining on the brick is some of it's carbon and some of it's just the organic stuff like moss, green stuff, algae. I think so 1 month ago this arch was very green and black with the carbon and organic stuff. You can see now it's very clean. Look guys, you can see all this stuff. We'll try to remove all this green organic. Here a little bit carbon, you can see a little bit dark here as well. All this moss, we'll be try to take it off. So we'll try to make again like original, how was 100 years old. The next process is to prepare all the tools, and in around 20 minutes we'll be ready to start to go up. I will start, I go first to apply some chemical, and then I will start to cleaning. He's very good guy.
It's going to be good up there. It's getting off all that organic matter, isn't it?
Yeah,
nicely.
it's taken off a lot of the white lichen that's up there, the steam and that, so it seems to be doing well. And we've also put on some chemical on it to get off carbon. So from what I can see from the ground, it seems to be coming up fairly well. It seems to be tidying itself nicely.
Happy man, good. So the job is all going swimmingly, yeah?
Yeah, well, we got started now, which was the main thing. We set up, we've gotten started, and we're on the move.
Like a big man up there.
Yeah, it's like a gorilla in the mist up there, so he is.
Hi guys, hope you enjoy our steam cleaning from today. Please subscribe on our channel. Stay tuned.